145 helicopter is a remarkable aircraft that stands out for its versatility, reliability, and efficiency. Manufactured by Airbus Helicopters, formerly known as Eurocopter, the H145 has become one of the most widely used medium-lift helicopters in the world. It has gained popularity across multiple industries, including emergency medical services, EMS, law enforcement, search and rescue, SAR, corporate transport, and military applications. The aircraft is known for its powerful performance, spacious cabin, and advanced avionics, making it a preferred choice for critical missions requiring speed and precision. Equipped with twin-turbo Ariel 1E2 engines, the H145 delivers impressive power, ensuring high operational capabilities even in demanding environments. It can achieve a top speed of approximately 268 kilometers per hour, 167 miles per hour, and has a maximum range of around 680 kilometers, 423 miles, making it suitable for both short-haul and long-range operations. The helicopter is designed to operate in various weather conditions, including extreme temperatures and high-altitude environments, making it an ideal aircraft for mountainous regions and offshore missions. One of the most distinctive features of the H145 is its spacious cabin. The aircraft provides ample room for passengers, medical equipment, or tactical gear, depending on its configuration. In medical transport operations, the helicopter can accommodate up to 2 stretchers and several medical personnel, allowing for advanced in-flight care. For law enforcement and military applications, the spacious interior provides enough room for personnel, surveillance equipment, and weaponry, enhancing mission effectiveness. The cabin design also allows for quick reconfiguration, enabling operators to adapt the aircraft for various tasks efficiently. The avionics suite of the H145 is another standout feature. The helicopter is equipped with the Helionix digital avionics system, which includes a glass cockpit with large multi-function displays, an autopilot system, and advanced navigation capabilities. These technologies enhance pilot situational awareness, reduce workload, and improve safety during complex missions. The system also integrates terrain awareness and warning systems, TAWS, traffic collision avoidance systems, TCAS, and weather radar, ensuring safe operations even in challenging environments. The H145's rotor system plays a crucial role in its performance. It features a 4-bladed, fully articulated main rotor that minimizes vibration and provides excellent stability in flight. The rotor design, combined with the Fantasy-drawn shrouded tail rotor, significantly reduces noise levels, making the helicopter suitable for urban environments and stealth operations. The low noise profile is particularly advantageous for emergency services and law enforcement, allowing the aircraft to operate with minimal disturbance to communities. Emergency medical services, EMS, operators highly value the H145 for its rapid response capabilities and advanced medical transport features. The helicopter's ability to take off and land in confined spaces, such as accident sites and hospital rooftops, makes it an indispensable asset for saving lives. Many EMS organizations customize their H145s with specialized medical equipment, including life support systems, incubators, and defibrillators, enabling medical teams to provide critical care en route to hospitals. Law enforcement agencies around the world use the H145 for surveillance, crime prevention, and tactical operations. The helicopter's advanced surveillance systems, such as infrared cameras and real-time data transmission, allow officers to monitor suspects and coordinate operations effectively. It is also used in hostage rescue and special operations, where its speed and agility provide a tactical advantage. The aircraft's ability to hover for extended periods and its low noise profile make it ideal for covert missions, giving law enforcement agencies a strategic edge. Search and rescue. 145's outstanding performance in difficult environments. Whether responding to natural disasters, maritime emergencies, or mountain rescues, the helicopter's powerful engines and high payload capacity allow it to carry essential rescue equipment and personnel to remote locations. Its ability to hover precisely and deploy rescue hoists makes it a vital tool for reaching stranded individuals in challenging terrains, including dense forests, icy slopes, and rugged coastlines. The military applications of the H145 further demonstrate its versatility. Many armed forces use it for troop transport, reconnaissance, and special forces operations. Its durability and advanced avionics make it a reliable choice for combat support missions. Additionally, some military variants are equipped with weapon systems, armor protection, and electronic countermeasures, enhancing their operational effectiveness in combat zones. Corporate and VIP transport operators appreciate the H145's luxurious configurations, which include comfortable seating, noise-reducing interiors, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Business executives and government officials use the helicopter for rapid and comfortable travel between cities, avoiding congested roads and ensuring efficient mobility. Maintenance and operational efficiency are also key factors in the H145's popularity. The helicopter is designed for easy maintenance, with accessible components that reduce downtime and operational costs. Many operators choose the H145 because of its high availability rate and low maintenance requirements, ensuring continuous mission readiness. In recent years, the H145 has evolved into the H145, featuring further improvements such as more powerful engines, enhanced aerodynamics, and increased payload capacity. The latest models include 5-bladed rotor systems, providing even better lift capability and smoother flight characteristics. These enhancements ensure that the H145 remains the top choice in the rotorcraft industry. The H145 has made a significant impact across multiple sectors, proving its worth as a dependable and adaptable aircraft. Its combination of speed, range, advanced technology, and spacious cabin make it an invaluable asset for emergency services, law enforcement, military operations, and corporate transport. Whether deployed for life-saving missions, tactical operations, or executive travel, the H145 continues to set the standard for medium-lift helicopters worldwide. Its legacy and continued advancements solidify its position as one of the most reliable and capable